Hey guys, I'm Joey. Welcome back to Over the Table's Random Reviews. Now for today's product, I don't know what it is yet. You already know because I'm going to put it in the title. But I have no idea what it is yet because I've ordered over 50 different products off of eBay for me to review. All budget-friendly products. So they're going to be coming in so quick that I'm not even going to know what they are. So go ahead and click that subscribe button. Do it right now. Click that button so you don't miss out on any future awesome reviews of awesome products. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, let's see what we've got for today's product. It feels lightweight and small, so I'm assuming it's something lightweight and small. Let's open this bad boy up. Oh, okay. So this product is the phone fan that basically plugs into your phone. It has a spot for an iPhone and an Android, so it can plug into any phone that you've got. Unless you've got a newer phone and it's got USB Type-C, this has the micro USB. But I did find this product on eBay for just $1.29. Now that is a very nice price for a fan that plugs into your phone. Now I will pop that link down in the description for you guys to get your own. I got the white color. It does come in multiple colors. And here's what we got. We've got the iPhone piece that seems to go over that micro USB and plugs right into there. And then you've got your fan piece here. The assembly is pretty straightforward. That fan's on there. Let's go ahead and plug it into a device. I guess we'll start with an iPhone since we've already got that set up, and plug it into the charging port. And we are powering up. It's obviously using power from the phone, but that is crazy. It's got a little bit of vibration going on right now. You can definitely feel the vibration on the phone, but it has got a decent amount of air coming out of it. I mean, look at it. It's very nice. It's working very well. It's a pretty high-speed little fan for $1, I'll tell you that. You know, it doesn't add too much weight. It's very lightweight. You could store it in your pocket or in your purse or whatever, or your car. You can keep it wherever you want to keep it. And, you know, it's very portable because this fan part detaches. You don't have to worry about messing anything up. The fan seems to be made of some sort of rubberized plastic. I'm not exactly sure what kind of material that is. The rest of it is made out of plastic, besides your plugs, obviously. Let's go ahead and see if it works in an Android phone. Now this is the $20 smartphone again that was reviewed in the first video of the channel. We'll plug it in. We're getting nothing from that. I don't know why. It's plugged in. Now it could possibly be this phone in particular that has the problem, because maybe it just doesn't have the ability to transfer power through its own power port. Alright, I'm going to test this thing out on my phone, which is a Samsung phone, and we will see if this does in fact work on a normal phone that's not, you know, $20. So, well, I'll go ahead and check that out and then I'll let you guys know. Okay guys, so it does seem to work on an Android phone, one that's not a $20 smartphone, but my Samsung Galaxy S6 Edge did work with this product, and I'm sure any product of the sort would work. Now, let's go back to the iPhone just to ensure that everything's still working properly. I've noticed it works best on iPhone because it just plugs right in there and it gets going. It's nice that it does have the option for both. Ow, that kind of hurt. It's got a good amount of power. I feel like we could throw a blade on here and make that thing dangerous. We might just do that in a future project video. But it definitely works on the iPhone. It definitely works on any standard Android except for our $20 smartphone. I don't know why it wasn't working on there, but it didn't. This is the white version again. You can get it any color you want pretty much. They've got it in many colors. It's on eBay for just $1.29. Oh, hey guys, thanks for watching this video of Over the Table's Random Reviews. This product turned out to be very nice for the price tag, especially for the price tag, and I love the fact that it's got multiple options on it. It's a nice little product, nice little fan, definitely plenty of power, Now, if you like the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe because there's lots more products, very cheap, very nice, just like this that I'm going to be reviewing. Don't forget to subscribe. Have a nice day, and as always, don't get shy.